In this edition of It's All Good, Darla and her friends are making a big difference.
I'm Darla with Friends Feeding Friends, and we are a group of friends that come together and serve a hot meal here at noonday. Also, we help support a couple of orphanages in Mexico.
The orphanages in Juarez and Madera, Mexico are supported through rescue ministries.
We gather supplies on this side of the border, whatever the kids are needing, and get it over to Mexico to help them out.
In Albuquerque, Friends Feeding Friends help those in need.
People that come in today, of course, we feed them, they get a hot meal, but there's so much more to it than just a meal with us. We offer them a little bit of friendship, a little bit of kindness, conversation, prayer. Friends Feeding Friends is always in need of volunteers or donations. You can look at our website, friendsfeedingfriendsnm.com. Thank you, It's All Good, for being a part of Friends Feeding Friends and coming and spending the day with us today.